Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play King of Hollywood on guitar. We will begin by covering the essential chords and a foundational strumming pattern. Next, we will dive into the memorable intro riff, breaking it down into manageable sections. Finally, I will offer some valuable advice for tackling the guitar solos and harmonies, helping you master this classic Eagles track. The core of King of Hollywood revolves around just two main chords, F sharp minor and E major. You'll want to practice transitioning smoothly between these two as they form the backbone of the song. For the rhythm, aim for a steady, driving eighth-note strumming pattern. Pay close attention to the original recording to capture the precise feel and dynamics, which are crucial for authenticity. The intro riff of King of Hollywood is instantly recognizable and a key element of the song. It's typically played over the F sharp minor and E major chords, featuring a distinctive melodic line often harmonized by multiple guitars. To learn it effectively, try practicing each individual guitar part slowly. Focus on the exact timing and articulation of every note to truly capture its iconic sound. Beyond the main rhythm and intro, King of Hollywood includes several impressive guitar solos and intricate harmonies. When approaching these, it's best to break them down into smaller, more manageable phrases. Utilize a metronome to gradually build your speed and accuracy. Consistent practice, even for just 5 to 10 minutes each day, will significantly improve your technique and help you master these advanced sections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.